Title: The Secret Kingdom of Cloudhaven. Once upon a time, high above the world, where the clouds dance and the sunsets paint the sky in 1,000 hues, there existed a hidden kingdom known as Cloudhaven. It was a realm of endless skies and floating islands, where creatures of whimsy and magic roamed freely. In Cloudhaven, the clouds were not just misty wisps, but living entities, each with its own personality and purpose. The kingdom was ruled by Queen Seraphina, a wise and kind-hearted monarch whose shimmering wings spanned the heavens. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden glow across the sky, a young girl named Aria stumbled upon a secret portal hidden among the clouds. With her heart pounding with excitement, Aria stepped through the portal and found herself transported to the breathtaking world of Cloudhaven. There, she was greeted by a chorus of chirping birds and playful giggles as the clouds welcomed her with open arms. Aria's eyes sparkled with wonder as she explored the kingdom, marveling at its beauty and magic. But soon, Aria discovered that Cloudhaven was in grave danger. Dark clouds were gathering on the horizon, threatening to engulf the kingdom in shadow and despair. Queen Seraphina called upon Aria to help save Cloudhaven from this looming threat. With courage and determination in her heart, Aria embarked on a daring quest to gather the mystical artifacts needed to dispel the darkness and restore light to the kingdom. Along the way, she encountered friends both old and new. A mischievous cloud sprite named Nimbus, a wise old owl who knew the secrets of the skies, and a gentle dragon whose scales shimmered like precious gems. Together they faced treacherous storms, clever puzzles, and sinister foes, all while uncovering the hidden wonders of Cloudhaven. And as they journeyed deeper into the heart of the kingdom, Aria discovered that the true power to save Cloudhaven lay not in magic or strength, but in friendship, courage, and the boundless imagination that dwelled within her. In the end, with the help of her friends and the strength of her own spirit, Aria succeeded in banishing the darkness from Cloudhaven and restoring light and hope to the kingdom once more. And as she bid farewell to her newfound friends and the magical world of Cloudhaven, Aria knew that she would always carry the memory of her extraordinary adventure in her heart, inspiring her to dream big and reach for the stars. For in the kingdom of Cloudhaven, where the clouds dance and the sunsets paint the sky in 1,000 hues, anything is possible if you just believe. The end.